In today's video, we are going to see another interesting tool which is available in Microsoft Excel, that is Format Painter. The use of this particular tool is, say we like the formatting of a certain cell, or we want to apply a formatting of a certain cell. Like you can see this yellow colored cell having the value 2.5%, and now we want to apply this to different cells, and maybe we don't remember what are the various formatting things we have done for this particular cell. So how we can just copy paste the formatting of the cell to another cell. Say we will apply it to the values where the percentage increase value is more than 2%. So what we can do is, we can select this particular cell, select it, then go to home. If you are at home, then very good, otherwise go to the home tab. In the first box, the first part, there is a command group, that is clipboards, and in that clipboard there is a brush which is there, which is known as the Format Painter. Now we click on this one time, so you can see this particular cell has got highlighted. Now we can copy the formatting to paste the formatting to the other cell. So if we go to the cell below it having the value 2.1% and click on it, so the formatting gets copied and the highlight of that 2.5% goes away. So again, say we have to apply it to the another cell which is having 2.7. so we select the cell, go to Format Painter, copy it, press the Format Painter and then apply it. Now you can see that this is a cumbersome process, but because maybe we have to apply this formatting to many cells, so in that case what we need to do is, we select the particular formatting of the cell which is having a particular formatting, and then double click the Format Painter. Point is to double click the Format Painter, then when we click on the cell for which on which we have to apply the formatting, we click on it. Now you can see the brush symbol has not gone away, the selected cell is still highlighted. So we can keep on applying the formatting to the different cells, and when we are finished, what we can do, we can go back and press Format Painter single time. Now that particular thing goes away. So Format Painter is a very good tool for copy pasting the formatting of a particular cell to different cells. Thank you.